We know the golf swing is all about rotation. Part of that rotation involves a proper shoulder turn. If you're having difficulty creating or maintaining a proper shoulder turn in your golf swing, that may cause you to sway, slide, maybe even early extend, and all of those things just lead to inconsistencies in your golf swing, which ultimately just leads to more frustration out on the course. Why? That's why in this video I want to go over 3 drills that will help you improve and maintain your shoulder turn so that you can play better golf. To have a proper shoulder turn in the golf swing, you need to be able to have the mobility in your shoulders and your mid-back to rotate. This first drill is going to work on not only the mobility of the muscles of your mid-back, but also the joints as well. To do this drill, all you need is a chair or a box and a golf club. Doesn't matter which one. You're gonna sit on the edge of that chair. You're gonna take that golf club and bring it right across your chest. Hold it nice and level. We're gonna be sitting up nice and tall, and we're gonna bring our knees and our feet together and keep them together throughout the drill. That's just gonna help really try to, as best as we can, lock out our lower back and our pelvis from moving. That way we're just getting pure rotation through our mid-back. All we're going to do is we're going to turn as far as we can one way, and then we're going to tilt back as best as we can. Just take a little deep breath and let it on out. Come on back up. Don't turn back to where we first started. You're going to turn even further that direction now. You should notice that you can go a little bit further. Tilt back again. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Sit back up, and then you can probably turn one more time towards that same direction, staying up nice and tall, making sure your feet and your knees do not come apart. For that drill, all you really need to do is do it 2 times each way, just 1 time every day, and that should be plenty to improve your mobility of your mid-back. The next drill that we're going to work on is going to continue to work on our mobility, but now we're going to work on increasing some resistance into that rotation so that our mobility gains that we just made from the previous exercise stick around for a lot longer. All you need is a band attached to a low and sturdy anchor point. The band doesn't need to be super strong or heavy. You're gonna start in an all-fours position. With the hand that's furthest away from the anchor point, you're gonna go ahead and grab the band. Get far enough away so that there's some tension on the band, and then it starts to rotate and pull you back towards the anchor point like so. From this point, all we're gonna do is we're gonna pull that band towards your chest, and as we're pulling towards your chest, we are rotating up towards the ceiling, holding for a second or 2, and then letting that band pull us and rotate us back to the anchor point. As we're rotating up, we're really focusing and pushing down through the ground with the hand that's still there. And then as you're letting that band pull you back, really let that shoulder blade dip towards the center of your spine. That will also help allow some more rotation towards that direction. Doing this for a minute in each direction with a light to a moderate resistance band is more than plenty to continue to improve your shoulder turn and your mid-back mobility. So far, we've really focused on improving the mobility of our muscles and our joints, as well as activating those muscles to improve our shoulder turn. There's one other aspect that we haven't touched on just yet. However, if you're finding value in this video, please hit that like button down below. And if you want more content just like this to help you improve your golf game and live a better and healthier life, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Both of those actions really help me and the channel out, and I truly appreciate it. One other aspect to improve your shoulder turn is really focusing on being able to bring that shoulder blade forward on your rib cage, as well as bring the other shoulder blade closer towards your spine. For this drill, all you need is a band, same band that we just used in the previous drill, just bring it on up to a higher anchor point. Again, doesn't need to be heavy or super duper strong. We're gonna go ahead and get into this golf posture that we're normally in. We're going to start with the band assisting, pulling us back into rotation. We want to maintain our golf posture throughout this drill, and then all we're going to do is focus on taking this shoulder and bringing it back behind us, and bringing the other shoulder back in front of us, really reaching as far as we can. That'll really help to bring that shoulder blade forward on that rib cage, creating more turn through our shoulders and our mid-back. So as you're reaching forward with that band, really try and reach, really think about bringing your shoulder blade forward on your rib cage, and at the same time, squeeze your other shoulder blade towards your spine. Both of those actions will really help to increase your shoulder turn. While performing this drill, it's really important that you try to maintain your golf posture. I find that it's very common, including in myself, to lack that shoulder turn while losing that spinal posture, which again is just going to cause you to early extend or have a flat shoulder plane, which ultimately causes inconsistencies in the golf swing. If you're looking for more ways to improve your golf game and rotate like the pros, I highly recommend you check this video out.